Hi everybody. Today, we are going to learn how to separate a Facebook business page from your personal profile. This is a common question for people who want to run a business on Facebook but keep their personal life private. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step using simple instructions. First, let's understand how Facebook works. When you create a business page on Facebook, it must be connected to a personal profile. Facebook uses your personal profile to verify your identity. However, this does not mean people can see your personal information. Still, you might want more control and separation. To manage this, you will need to create a new Facebook account that is only used for business. This is within Facebook's rules as long as the new profile represents a real identity and is not fake. Using this second profile, you can take full control of the business page without linking it directly to your personal Facebook life. Start by logging into your personal Facebook account. Go to the business page you want to separate. Click on Settings at the bottom left of the page. In the new menu that appears on the left, choose Page Roles. This is where you can manage who has access to the page and what level of control they have. Now, open a new browser or use incognito mode. Create a new Facebook account using a different email address. This will be the account you use for your business activities. Make sure to verify the email and set up the profile completely. Add a profile photo and basic information to show that it's a legitimate account. Once your new account is ready, go back to your business page settings in your original profile. In the Page Roles section, type in the name or email address of your new Facebook profile. Assign it the role of admin. This is the highest level of access and lets that account manage the entire page. After the new account is an admin, go back to your original personal profile and remove yourself from the page. Return to Page Roles and find your name and click Remove. Confirm your choice. Now, the page is managed only by your new business profile. You have now separated the business page from your personal profile. From this point forward, manage your business activities only through the new account. This will give you a clean separation between your personal and professional life on Facebook. Remember that Facebook still requires a real person to manage a page, so you should not create a fake profile. Also, you can always transfer admin rights again if you change your mind. By following these steps, you can run your business more professionally and keep your personal space private. You don't need to worry about friends or family seeing your business updates, and your customers will not have access to your personal timeline. That's how you separate a Facebook business page from your personal profile.